everyone, this is Tim from YourSix Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add custom notification sounds to your Samsung phone. So the best way to do this is to go to the Google Play Store. And we want to go to search. Go to search up here and type in Zedge, Z-E-D-G-E. Get this application. Now this will allow you to get pretty much any sound you want. So we can open this up, Zedge wallpapers and ringtones. And you might see some ads, just press the X in the top right. But let's spend as little time on here as we can. So go to search, type in what you want. So here's some other ones I have, like Gears of War. Let's just go to this. Now we can see ringtones, we can get custom ringtones, but we want to go to notification sounds. Then choose the notification sounds you want. Let's go to the first one. We can play it. Okay, this is the one I want. Let's press download and set notification. Okay, so that's all we want to do. And if we spend too much time on this app, there will be some pop-up ads that are annoying. So we can go to settings, going down to sounds and vibrations now. And we can see the notifications under here now. Notification sound is Gears of War notification. So we are all set right there. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.